Look at the pussycat. Mark. I just want to adopt this one. I just want to adopt him. His name is Mark. He's so cute. Yes, he is. He purrs and he cuddles with you. Yes, he does. Now he's not being cute. He was being really cute before. Look. Who's purring? Yes, he is. I wish my cat was like this. He's my favorite kitty. What are you doing? What are you doing? Let's look at this cat. Oh, these pussycats. I'm gonna show them too. Oh no. I'm gonna bring this one home. He's my baby. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Ah! Come on, show your pretty face. Psst, psst. Look. What are you doing? Are you playing with that? Are you playing with that? What are you doing there, Maddie? No.